Maayong adlaw sa tanan no, and welcome back to our last episode for Cebu Beach Club. So naa gihapon ta diri sa Cebu Beach Club located at Casay Argao, Philippines. Kani padulong nami sa ilahang showroom. So let us know what is inside these wonderful rooms. A quick room tour. So pagpasok mo pa lang may dalawang bed na. 'Di ba ang ganda ng lightings? At ito may balcony pa sila. So this room is good for 8 packs at and meron din itong flat screen TV. Look at the interior design of this room. We have this sofa bed. Tapos meron ding master bedroom. And this is the CR, the comfort room. Look at the mirror, or di ba makaka-selfie ka dito. Dito yung kanilang CR. Tsaka may pa-plants pa dyan sa gilid. Now, here we are in the master's bedroom. Tingnan mo naman gaano kaganda at kalaki. And it also have its own bathroom. Your belongings is safety as well in this. And dito naman tayo sa balcony. Lumabas kami. At ayan, ang ganda, diba? O, beachfront siya. Tapos ito, ang ganda ng mga furnitures. Tapos going back, ayan, bed test. Tingnan mo naman gaano ka-classy at gaano kalawak ang master's bedroom. O, diba? Very comfortable. Now, dito naman tayo sa kanilang bathroom. O, diba? Ang laki ng bathtub nila. Then, may shower. Tas yung mga shampoo and everything. Ayan, may conditioner, shower gel, tsaka may sariling toilet. Ito naman, may mirror na naman. O, diba? Selfie. Ito yung kanilang toiletries at towel. Very aesthetic, very clean, very new, very safe. See? Pasadahan na lang ulit natin. Ang ganda talaga ng kanilang interior design. Sulit na sulit ang stay mo dito. You just need to insert the card for power. May palong table din sila dito sa parang living room. Tas ito, look at what is inside. It's very spacious. May outlet pa din. Then they have this drawer. Very spacious. Hunya maura to. Thank you for watching. This is your Vivel. Where to next?